Let's move on to the methods for assessment of loans. Before that, we'll classify the loans into two types. One is retail loan and the other one is commercial loans. See, retail loans are basically loans which involves a lesser outflow of money, but they are high in volume. So I'll write they are high in volume, but they are low in amount. So because of their volume and the amount being low, they are more mechanized. It means they involve lot of technology. Okay, they involve lot of technology, and the entire process is made as system oriented, where the computer systems will capture the data and it would give out what is known as the credit score, and based on that the managers have to take a decision whether they should go ahead with the loan or not. But when it comes to commercial loan, these are all basically the high value loans and given for business or industrial purposes, and it requires specialized skill. I mean, it requires specialized skill in terms of appraisal, in terms of monitoring. Okay. So how these loans are assessed? When it comes to retail loan, everything is based on technology support, but when it comes to commercial loans, there is a high level of skill that is required. Okay, and each and every aspect have to be understood, have to be analyzed, mind have to be applied, and only then a decision have to be taken. So how commercial loans are appraised, that we'll see in the next session.
On this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.